Kaye Adams has admitted she regrets underperforming during the dance-off with Kai Widrington on Strictly Come Dancing. The 59-year-old said her professional partner really tried to bring out her best moves, but she said she couldn't deliver. Taking to her Instagram story this morning, she told fans she had finally surfaced after hiding under the duvet. She added, "Definitely feeling a roller coaster of emotions, but not an ounce of me regrets having done it." The Loose Women star did however say that she wished she could done more to save her place on the show. Kaye performed her Charleston for a second time against Matt Goss and Nadia Beachkova, but failed to impress 3 out of the 4 judges. Naga Munchetty inundated with advice after unexpected incident at home. Following this, she became the first contestant to leave the show. Speaking to the camera, she said, "Obviously I'm gutted at myself that I panicked in that dance-off. I just panicked. And, I've seen a few comments saying I looked like a rabbit in headlights, and they're right, I was." She went on to say, "So that is really annoying. I tried so hard to say, come on, we can do this, and I just wasn't able to bring it. So, I do regret that, but I do not regret signing up for Strictly despite my early exit. I've learned so many things and I met so many wonderful people that I will definitely come out of this stronger." Kaye went on to say she also had a new bra collection after being fitted backstage and a personalized dressing gown she was happy to keep. The journalist will discuss her journey with Kai on Strictly It Takes Two this evening and Loose Women tomorrow. Heidi Klum, 49, dances seductively in barely their white lingerie set. Picture demand. Owen slams Village gossip after neighbors speak of split. Interview. George Clooney claims co-star Julia Roberts annoyed him on set. Revealed, after that, "I need to get back to the real world," she added. How's the new government doing? Many of Kaye's 147,000 followers flocked to her post to comment. Lee.Doran.33 commented, "Amazing lady. Really proud, and so should you be. Well done K20. Zoe_Adnew_ added, "So proud of you Kaye. We love you 20. Sick, Neve_Georgia22 wrote, "Oh so gutted for Kaye, you were fab." Fiesel88 typed, "You were amazing and should not have went last night." Westwooden commented, "We love you Kaye. Strictly Come Dancing continues Saturday at 6:30 p.m. on BBC One.